Hello everyone, welcome to RKH Academy. Today we will learn about Sussman anomaly. In Sussman anomaly means problem. It is a planning problem in artificial intelligence. First of all, we will study about its definition and then learn this concept with an example. Let's start. What Sussman anomaly says? It says when the operators or actions used to solve one subproblem may interfere with the solution to a previous subproblem and we have to undo the actions, then this problem is known as Sussman anomaly. In simple term, we can say that if we need to undo one solved subproblem to solve the other one, then this is known as Sussman anomaly. For example, if we have a problem x and we divide it into two subproblems x1 and x2. x2, if we solve x1 and then move on to x2 and x2 depends upon x1, then we cannot solve x2. That means to solve x2 we need to undo all the actions of x1. Now take one block world problem. Here we have initial state and a goal state. We have to convert initial state into goal state. In initial state we have three blocks A, B and C. B block is on table, A block is on table, C block is on A block. Similarly in goal state we have three blocks A, B and C. C block is on table, B block is on C, A block is on B. Now we will divide goal state into two sub goals. One is A on B, second one is B on C. First one, that is A on B, second one is B on C. Now suppose that we will satisfy A on B first. To satisfy A on B, we will look into the initial state. Currently in initial state we have A on C, but we want A on B. So we will pick block C from A and put it on table. Now we will pick block A and put it on B block. Now we have satisfied A on B goal. Now if we try to satisfy B on C, then we cannot do it because currently we have A block on B, A block on B block. So to satisfy B on C sub goal, we need to undo A on B sub goal. Similarly, if we try to satisfy B on C first, then we cannot do A on B sub goal because currently we have B and C block on A block and we have to undo actions of B on C sub goal to satisfy A on B sub goal. At last, we can say that when we need to undo all the actions of solved sub goals to solve other sub goals, then this problem is known as Sussman anomaly. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.